Hello everyone, Pastel de Nata or Pastel de Blame. The egg tart, very famous in Lisbon. If you went to Lisbon, this is the one everybody crazy about. They sell each one €1 before Corona, I don't know now. All techniques and how to make it from A to Z. Continue watching my video. If this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younes, pastry champion, Africa 2011. Work as a corporate pastry chef for many cruise line, Royal Caribbean, Norwegian Cruise Line, Cunard UK, and MSC. Let's start by the dough. 200 gram flour, 3 gram salt. We mix together in a small bowl. And we added 100 gram or 100 milli water. Then we mix slowly to combine all ingredients. And then later on, we use the table. So as you know, very important to take all the flour, don't lift anything, because we needed a strong dough. It is not soft. So feel free to use KitchenAid or dough mixer, or use your hand. Put all your effort. Do your best. It takes 4 or 5 minutes until the gluten starts in the dough and becomes elastic but very strong texture. Very important how to knead the dough. Don't give up, put your life inside. After that, I cover it, I keep in the fridge for 15 minutes just to rest. After 15 minutes, I bring it out. I dust the table with the flour. And then I spread square shape or rectangular shape. In meanwhile, I took out butter 2 hours from the fridge to be room temperature. You can see I try to make rectangular shape, 30 by 20 centimeter. Now I spread light layer of butter. I use wooden spoon to make sure it's very soft. After that, with the spatula, I spread over the dough 2/3. You can see 2/3 I make butter and the rest is empty. Then I try to keep my rectangular shape. I use rolling pin to spread the dough, as you see. Again, I spread 2/3 and I fold it. Then I keep it in the fridge at least 15-20 minutes. I don't need to be very strong, so I can roll it. After 15 minutes in the fridge, I roll again. Then I give third fold. It was single fold, and now I make double fold. I spread light layer of butter. The whole dough maximum 150-160 gram of butter. Then I fold again. This is the last one. And then I spread very light layer of butter, but this time I cover all the surface of the dough. And then I make very tiny roll and I stretch every time to make it tight. You can see I try to stretch every time to make it more round or more layer, because this give nice lamination to the dough. I cover, I keep overnight in the fridge or minimum 6 hours. Now 100 gram water, 100 gram sugar, 60 milli water, 1 full skin of lemon, and 1 gram of cinnamon powder. But the real recipe, you must put 1 cinnamon stick, not powder. I boil just for 1 minute. I remove from the oven. Here 400 milli water, pinch of salt, 45 gram of flour. Then I bring it to heat. I keep stirring until becomes light bechamel or light pudding. It takes 4-5 minutes in medium heat. And now you can see becomes more sticky like real pudding. Then I keep it 5 minutes or 10 minutes until it cool down. When it's cool down, room temperature, I added the syrup. Then the egg yolk, 6 egg yolk, the syrup, and bechamel. Let's say again, bechamel, 400 milli fresh milk, pinch of salt, 45 gram of butter, flour, then the syrup, 100 gram sugar, 60 milli water, 1 cinnamon stick, and 1 whole lemon skin. Then we mix it together all, and then I strain to avoid any lumps or lemon skin. After 6 hours or 1 day in the fridge, I take out, I cut roll 2 centimeter high. Then I spread with my finger to make shell. Very important to make shell. Very tiny shell, like 2-3 millimeter thickness, and make 3 millimeter higher than the mold. You must use metal mold. You cannot use silicone, because this is the only way to become crunchy. As you see, I make full tart, and then I pour the mixture 2/3, and I keep like 2 centimeter empty. So when it go to the oven, it will becomes higher. I prepare my oven 230 Celsius for 15 minutes before I use it to be very high. Then I bake 230 for 18 minutes direct. After 18 minutes, you have the perfect Pastel de Nata or egg tart. Hope you enjoy. Work smarter, don't work harder. Ahmed Younes.